Another thing. Send a message to Barry Crampton.
Which phone number for Barry Crampton? iPhone or 150?
iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Just sat outside the garage in this Mitsubishi L200.
Your message to Barry Crampton says just sat outside the garage in this Mitsubishi L200. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
So there you heard my phone beep. It's got a message, and also there's a little red dot on the messages. If I click on the home screen, you'll see there. So again, what we can do, we don't need to switch the phone. And if you're anything like me and you get a message when you're driving, it's infuriating. You've got to pull over somewhere to switch your engine off and touch your phone. But with this system, the Apple CarPlay system, read messages.
Barry Crampton sent a new message. Just sat outside the garage in this Mitsubishi L200. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Get some work done and stop making YouTube videos.
Your reply to Barry Crampton says get some work done and stop making YouTube videos. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent. That's everything.
And again, messages come up. It's just a brilliant system.